What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wolver AI, and today we are doing something epic. Today, I used Deepseek to build a fully functional Python machine from scratch. And the results? The results absolutely shocked me. I'm talking about a complete, professional, sellable software with GUI, 24 world types, infinite variations, and planetary data. And Deepseek wrote 90% of this code. If you want to see the final machine in action, stick around. Link to try it is in the description. 3 days ago, I had an idea. Build a universe generator. Random planets, galaxies, alien worlds. But I didn't want to spend weeks coding it. So I opened Deepseek and said, build me a Python universe generator with GUI, 20+ world types, random colors, and planetary data. And guys, I was not prepared for what happened next. Deepseek started writing code, classes, functions, GUI layouts, color algorithms, planetary data, all generated in seconds. I pasted the code, hit run, and error. Something was wrong. I went back to Deepseek. Fix this error. Deepseek fixed it immediately. I pasted again, hit run, and boom, the interface popped up. Clean, dark, professional, a fully functional machine. Deepseek just built me a complete software in minutes. Now let me show you what Deepseek built. Look at this interface. Infinite Universe Generator. Every element here was designed by Deepseek. Main canvas, control panel, world classification, planetary data, save button, stats counter, and that big red button that says, Generate New World. Deepseek put it right in the center. Red, bold, impossible to miss. I didn't tell Deepseek to do that. The AI just knew. But here's where it gets crazy. Deepseek built the actual generation engines. Let me click. Boom. First world. Rocky planet. Green and blue. Click again. Boom. Lava world. Red and orange. Click again. Boom. Ocean world. Deep blues. Click again. Boom. Ice world. Crystalline. Click again. Boom. Gas giant. Banded. Stormy. Every single click, a new world. Every single world, different. Deepseek engineered this perfectly. Now look at the left panel. Planetary database entry. Deepseek generated this too. Every world gets unique seed number, world type, generated name, atmosphere, gravity, temperature, water coverage, life forms. Full scientific data for a planet that never existed before. Gas giants, high gravity, rocky planets, medium gravity, ice worlds, lower gravity. Deepseek understands planetary physics. Let me show you the world types Deepseek created. 24. Rocky, lava, ocean, ice, gas, forest, desert, alien, crystal, void, jungle, volcanic, tundra, swamp, metal, ringed, binary, molten, frozen, toxic, radiant, shadow, prism, chaos. Deepseek wrote every single one with unique coloring algorithms and texture patterns. Watch me click through them fast. Click. Rocky. Click. Lava. Click. Ocean. Click. Ice. Click. Gas. Click. Forest. Click. Desert. Click. Alien. Click. Crystal. Click. Void. Click. Jungle. Click. Volcanic. Click. Tundra. Click. Swamps. Click. Metal. Click. Ringed. Click. Binary. Click. Molten. Click. Frozen. Click. Toxic. Click. Radiant. Click. Shadow. Click. Prism. Click. Chaos. 24 worlds. Every single one unique. Every single one with full data. But here's what really shocked me. Deepseek added features I never asked for. Look, rings. Sometimes planets have rings. I never said add rings. The AI just did it. Look. Atmospheric glow. Subtle blue glow. Atmospheric scattering without being asked. Look. Background stars. Hundreds of tiny stars. Deepseek added them. Look. Planet names. Carina Prime. Frostoria. Umbraxis. Deepseek generated an alien language for planet names. I kept finding features I didn't request. Deepseek was building the perfect product without me asking. Save feature. Deepseek added this too. I click Save. Dialog pops up. Default file name, world_alien_7342891.png. Organized, professional, high resolution. 1920 by 1080, print quality. Game developers can use these. Authors for book covers, musicians for album art, and zero copyright issues because it's generated by math. Seed system. Every world has a seed number. Seed 7,342,891. Type this seed into any computer running this software. It generates the exact same planet, same continents, same clouds, same colors, replicable. Deepseek built a shareable universe. I didn't ask. The AI just understood. So here's what Deepseek built in minutes. Complete GUI application. 24 unique world types. Infinite variation algorithms. Realistic planetary data. Atmospheric effects. Ring systems. Background stars. Name generation. Seed-based replication. High-resolution saving. Scientific classification. 2,000 lines of clean Python code. Weeks of manual work. Deepseek did it in minutes. I am genuinely shocked. If you want to try this infinite universe generator yourself, the link is in the description below. Link in the description. Generate your own planets, your own galaxies, your own alien worlds. See exactly what Deepseek built. If this video blew your mind, hit like, smash, subscribe, leave a comment. What should I ask Deepseek to build next? The future is here. AI can build full applications now. Link in the description. Wolver AI out. Peace.